Also, the second generation Toyota Sienna, with production starting in 2003 ahead of the 2004 model year, is one of the most versatile cars you can buy in 2026. This MPV, which is a multi-purpose vehicle, can be used for as a private use for large families and also for commercial use. There's one significant thing about this model. There are some models in this second generation that shares the same engine as the engine on the Toyota Venza. So probably you are driving a Toyota Venza in a Sienna body. So in this video, we are going to review that model to you and also talk about the specifications and also the pricing of it. The production of the second generation Toyota Sienna started in January 2003 and ended in December 2009. The model years ranges between 2004 to 2010. It's available in both the front-wheel drive and the all-wheel drive system, and the car is built on the Toyota K platform. Available engine options on the model include the 3.3-liter 3MZ V6 engine, which is available on the 24 to 2006 model, and the 3.5-liter 2GR V6 engine that is available from the 27 to 2010. And this 3.5-liter 2GR V6 engine is the one that is powering all the Toyota Venza 210 to 215 models, the V6 variant. So you can see that you are driving a Toyota Venza in a Toyota Sienna body. For this second generation, there are two phases. The first phase is between the 2004 to 2006. This one uses the 3.3-liter 3MZ engine, while the other one started in 2007 to 2010. This one uses the 2GR FEV. The first standard features of the first phase of the cars include the remote keyless entry, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, high solar energy absorbing glasses, and also the all-wheel drive option. We are equipped with run flat tire. So if you are buying the all-wheel drive option, just know that you are getting a run flat tire as well, unless it has been swapped. Coming to its fuel economy for the first phase, which uses the 3.3-liter 3MZ engine, its fuel economy was rated at 17 miles per gallon for city driving and 23 miles per gallon for highway. For the front-wheel drive grade, the all-wheel drive grade got 16 miles per gallon for city driving and the 22 miles per gallon for highway driving, and this turning radius is pegged at 102 meters. So this car is packed. Then let's get down to the second phase. In 26 ahead of the 27 model year, there was a massive refreshment of this car. Received the front fascia, side molding, headlamps and tail lights were restored. Aside from that, the 3.5-liter 2GR FEV6 engine was also introduced, and that ran from 2007 to 2010. It wasn't just a normal engine change. The engine brought about a whooping 266 horsepower and the fuel economy of 17 miles per gallon for city. So let's get down to the pricing. Pricing of the 24 to 2010 Toyota Sienna in Nigeria ranges between 8 million naira to 11 million naira, depending on the grade they are picking, the history of the car, and even the mileage. So if you need this car, please do want to reach out to Apple Auto Reviews Limited on 08107992356 for clean cars at affordable rate. If you have followed us to this time, please give us a thumbs up, like our video and subscribe. Thank you.